chương trình hướng dẫn học tiếng Anh.
Hi, my name is Trang and welcome back to the English pronunciations program. After the first lessons, I think you are confident with the vowels air and air, right? So now we come to the second sections, the consonants. In this section, we'll help you with some problematic consonants that the Vietnamese learners often make mistakes. And with our tips and practice, we hope that we can help you to avoid the confusions about these consonants. So what are these consonants? Now let's look at some picture first and see what the first pair of consonants is. Okay, so now let's look at the pictures and tell me what you see in the pictures. Are you ready? Now let's come to the first one.
16. Crust.
Sun. The second picture. Sock. The third picture. Shoe. And the last one, shopping. So I think now you can guess the two consonants we're going to study now, right? They are and sh. Actually, they are not difficult consonants, but to make it correct is not easy at all, especially with the sound sh. Many Vietnamese learners have problem with its sounds. So next, I'd like you to watch a clip and see how this sound is made.
This is a voiceless consonant. It's pronounced sh. This is the sound you make if you want someone to be quiet. Shh. Did you notice the shape of my lips? Watch. Shh. Now you try. Listen, watch, and repeat after me. Shh. Shh.
Sau khi xem xong đoạn video clip, các bạn đã có thể hình dung được cách phát âm sh, đúng không? Khi các bạn phát âm này, các bạn sẽ chú ý đến khẩu hình của mình một chút. Đó là các bạn sẽ cong môi, cong lưỡi, và để dễ hơn các bạn sẽ khép hai hàm răng lại. Và để dễ hơn các bạn có thể liên tưởng đến âm sờ trong tiếng Việt. Còn đối với âm trong từ sinh, các bạn sẽ đọc gần giống như là âm x của mình. Không cong môi và chỉ phát ra âm nhẹ. Các bạn hãy luyện tập để thấy được sự khác biệt nhé. Okay, so now let's come to the practice part. I'd like you to look at the words, listen, and repeat.
See. She. Sell. Shell. Said. Shed. Save. Shave. Mess. Mesh. Paris. Parish. Ass. Ash. Fist. Fished. Sock. Shock. Saw. Shore. Sew. Show. Sue. Shoe. Sort. Short. Puss. Push. Rust. Rushed. Crust. Crushed.
Then next, please listen to the words and write down the words you hear. Now listen again and check the words you hear. And this is the answers. Are you correct? Now we come to the sentences. I'd like you to look at those sentences, listen to the sentences. For each one, write the word you hear.
1. She's always giving me socks. 2. The shack is full of rubbish. 3. That seat is dirty. 4. They're sifting the flour. 5. We took a ship. 6. Could you shine this, please?
Listen again and check the words you hear.
1. She's always giving me socks. 2. The shack is full of rubbish. 3. That seat is dirty. 4. They're sifting the flour. 5. We took a ship. 6. Could you shine this, please?
Is it easy or difficult? So now let's look at the answers. So after writing with the words and the sentences, now it's time for us to move to the conversation. I'd like you to look at the conversation about a special washing machine. Please listen and practice the conversation. Please pay attention on the letters bolded in blue will be pronounced as sh, while the red letters will be pronounced as s. So now let's listen.
3B. A special washing machine.
Does this shop sell washing machines?
Yes, this is the latest washing machine.
Is it Swedish?
No, madam, it's English.
Could you show me how it washes?
Shall I give you a demonstration? This one is our special demonstration machine. It's so simple. You take some sheets and shirts, you put them in the machine, you shut this door, and you push this button.
The machine shouldn't shake like that, should it?
Washing machines always shake, madam. Ah, it's finished now.
But the sheets have shrunk, and so have the shirts.
Do you wish to buy this machine, madam?
I'm not sure.
Not difficult, right? So now it's your turn. Please practice the conversation. Now I'd like you to look at the words again. She. shell, shed, shave, mash, parish, ash, feast, show, shoe, shot, push, rust, crust, shore, shock. Maybe you can recognize that all these words contain the SH letters. So all the SH letters will be pronounced as sh. That's the first rule. In addition, TI and CI followed by a vowel is also pronounced as sh. For example, in education, you can see the word TI followed by the vowel O, so we will pronounce as education. And similarly with delicious, the word CI followed by the vowel O, so we will pronounce as delicious. And some CH in the French words are also pronounced as sh. For example, we have the word champagne. Finally, sometimes the letter S in some words is pronounced as sh too. For example, we have sugar or sure. So those are the rules which help you to identify when to pronounce the sound sh. And I hope that they will be helpful for you. So now we come to the last part of this lesson, the tongue twisters. Now let's look at this sentence and then please practice. Be careful because this sentence is a tongue twister, so it's not easy for you at first. So please practice yourself and be careful, don't twist your tongue. Before we come to the next lessons, I'd like you to look at some pictures and tell me what you see in the pictures. Are you ready? So now let's come to the first picture. What is this? Television. The second picture. Garage. And the last one. Measure. You can see all the three words television, garage, and measures contains the sound zh. So in these lessons, we will deal with these consonants. Actually, this sound is not easy, and many Vietnamese learners have problems and confusions with these sounds. So next, I'd like you to look at the clip and see how this consonant is made.
This is a voiced consonant. It's pronounced zh. Did you notice the shape of my lips? Zh. The sound zh can be found in the middle of the words leisure, pleasure, and vision, and at the end of the word beige.
Rồi, sau khi xem xong đoạn clip, các bạn đã có thể hình dung được cách phát âm. Khi phát âm này, các bạn sẽ cong môi, cong lưỡi và rung thanh quản. Để kiểm tra, các bạn có thể để tay lên để kiểm tra độ rung thanh quản của mình. Và khi đọc âm này, các bạn có thể dễ nhầm lẫn với âm trong the zoo. Khi đối với âm trong zoo, các bạn chỉ để đầu lưỡi sau răng và rung thanh quản. Và khi đọc âm này, các bạn sẽ liên tưởng đến cái tiếng của con ong nó bay. Các bạn hãy luyện tập để thấy sự khác biệt nhé.
Casual. Massage. Occasionally. Collision. Measure. Casualty.
Now we come to the sentences. I'd like you to look at those 6 sentences and then practice. please listen and practice. And please pay attention to the underlined words. The letters bonded in blue will be pronounced as sh. So now, let's listen.
Michelle has a job in a shop selling casual shoes. She also has a casual job doing sports massage. She does sports massage occasionally, not every day. Yesterday, Michelle saw a collision outside the shoe shop. She was measuring a shoe for a customer. An ambulance took 2 injured people to casualty.
Now, listen again.
Michelle has a job in a shop selling casual shoes. She also has a casual job doing sports massage. She does sports massage occasionally, not every day. Yesterday, Michelle saw a collision outside the shoe shop. She was measuring a shoe for a customer. An ambulance took 2 injured people to casualty.